Too bad always run out of tissues. These boogers fly out at the speed of missiles. Better watch out because they might hit you.
Good morning, everybody. It is, what time is it? Early. You might notice a new face and a new place. This is...
Hi, my name's Mike. Cut from a different cloth. I order the ramen. No broth.
He has this amazing channel.
I rap about science, math, all things educational. If you want to learn stuff, come to my channel. If you don't want to learn stuff, it's cool. I understand. But hey, check out what Trina's doing.
You may recall that we did a video on face mites. You can check it out right over there. And so today we're gonna do the hair ingredient challenge. That might sound familiar, right? There are lots of challenges in life, and sometimes we rise up to the challenge, sometimes we don't quite make it, but it's being open to the process of learning. Mike is gonna sit in the hot seat, making some wins, having some losses. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
He's totally ready. All right, so we're gonna take one ingredient, and Mike has to tell me whether it is or is not in hair care.
Give me your best shot.
All right, ingredient number one. Sodium chloride. Is it in your hair care products? Well, he's thinking you guys can play along at home.
Sodium chloride.
Yes.
So, NaCl.
NaCl.
Salt.
You put it on your steak, and do you put it in your hair?
I know I added on to my cookies, which are pretty dope.
Oh my god, these cookies are amazing. I should put the recipe in the description.
It just sounds weird to have salt in hair products, and I feel like I should know what's in the stuff that I'm using and putting in my hair, so I'm gonna go with a definite no.
Wrong. I need a buzzer.
So salt.
Maybe I need a semi-truck to come in and go.
So salt is in hair care, but I feel like William Shatner right now. Salt is in hair care, but what is it doing there? Sorry, I'm having a hard time conceptualizing like salt in shampoo.
Right, so what it does is it increases the thickness or viscosity so that when you put your shampoo into your hand, it doesn't run around as much. It feels rich and thick and luxurious and all those things that you want your hair care, especially your shampoo, to have.
Cool.
All right.
I learned a new thing.
That's right. Are you ready for number two?
Well, after that, I give up.
Oh no, don't give up. Come on. We're just getting started.
Hey!
Hey! Question number two. Ready?
Ready.
All right. Is this ingredient in your hair paraphenylene diamine?
I think I'm looking at your answers. Okay.
Otherwise known as PPD.
Oh, I know about PPD.
Do you?
Yeah, you know me. PPD. Yeah, you know me. It's an ingredient that I see advertised as not being in a lot of natural hair products.
Okay.
A lot of times on the label it'll say mineral oil free, sulfate free, paraben free. Now it could be wrong, but my thought process here is the paraben, paraphenylene diamine.
Okay.
They sound related. My answer is yas.
I want confetti to come down. Woo! High five. Yeah! He got one right. Paraphenylene diamine is in your hair care, though it may not be in the way that you think. It's in hair dye. It produces a brown shade when exposed to an oxidizing agent. That's right. It has nothing to do with parabens, actually. Is this ingredient in your hair care cetyl alcohol? What do you guys think?
Cetyl alcohol. This sounds like you made it up. It sounds like you were like, let's take the word satire and then put it in front of a chemical and see if Mike really likes science. I'm gonna say that that one is fake news.
Fake news? Well, it turns out you were incorrect.
Oh.
It is not fake news. So the interesting thing about this is that I actually found it in your hair lotion, of all things. So you actually have it in one of your products.
Invasion of privacy.
I know. Going through your personal products. What am I, the TSA? Anyway, it is a long chain alcohol. We often associate alcohols with being drying.
Yeah.
But this is an alcohol that's actually moisturizing. Are you ready for the last question?
The last question.
Isobutane. Is it in your hair care?
Butane.
Yeah. Isobutane, but yes.
When I hear butane, this is making me think of barbecues, gas, burning.
That's right. 4th of July, maybe?
Things that I don't want to have in my hair.
Okay.
While I believe it is a real, ingredient, I do not believe that it is in hair care.
Final answer? Let me hear it.
Final answer is no.
You are incorrect. Oh, I'm so sorry.
So
Isobutane is in hairspray.
Hairspray.
Hairspray. So you need propellant to make all the ingredients come out of the
Okay.
can, and isobutane is one of the ingredients that does that.
This is unfair because I don't use hairspray. What is
Oh, wow, okay. Try to make my questions a little bit more relevant next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments for us, myself or Mike, put them in the comments section, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
And don't forget your ABCs.
What's the ABCs?
Always be learning.
Word.